G'day, I'm Nikki from Easy Online Biz Solutions. I'll be answering to resize all images for use on my website, online store, or post articles. How can I edit images for my site? Obviously, if you're watching this, you have a website or an online store with a blog. Why is it important to resize images for use on my website, online store, or in post articles? The reason why you should resize images if you plan to upload images onto a website is that image size matters. On a website, the larger the image size, the longer it will take the web page to load. For users who have short connections, this matters a lot. Image speed is important for two main reasons. One, faster page speed equals better user experience. Everyone has experienced a website that takes forever to load. It can be infuriating, causing users to exit the site before the content even loads. On the flip side, a site that loads quickly gets the user to consume the content with ease. The better the user experience, the more likely the user is to stay on the site, consuming more content or even making a purchase. 2. Faster page speed equals better Google ranking. Research has shown that Google considers page speed when it's ranking pages for its search engine. If you're looking for a rank higher in search engine results, and who isn't, you might want to examine your page speed. Also, it takes up a lot of room on website server, which will often increase the cost you have to pay to keep it hosted especially if you have a dedicated server. Now, I'm going to show you why it matters, why you should resize every image that you put on your website. Now, I just have an image that I've just pulled up. I'm going to go to here. I'm just looking in preview. Go to tools and I'm going to adjust size. Now this is the size that I've uploaded. I just downloaded it from. And 6,000 by 8,898 pixels is way too much. The resolution is 200, which you really want a resolution between 70 and 80 on your website. Also, the width, I wouldn't even have it more than 400. Now, look at the result, the size at the moment. It is 4.6 megabytes. That is a ridiculous size for one image for a website. Now, have a look at what happens down here, the resulting size, when I just halve it. Let's calculate it. Now, see, that's less than half in size when you just halved it. Now, let's look at it when I decide to change the resolution. Just change it to 80. All right, now we're going to change the width to, let's say, 400. Now that's a pretty good size. 89 kilobytes from 4.6 megabytes. So we're going to go OK, save that, and back. There we go. Now, don't you agree that's a humongous difference in size? Each pixel in an image takes a certain number of bytes to encode. So naturally, the fewer pixels in an image, the smaller the file size will be. Cropped your photos, it's a really fast way to improve them. You can crop out distracting items around the focal point of the photos, use it to zoom in on whatever you're photographing. It can even be used to completely change the composition of the photo. When cropping, keep in mind that you don't want to make the photo too small. Try to keep it at least 600 by 200 for like header banners for posts, and the rest of your images should be between 350 to 400 wide. Now, only continue watching if you want to know how you can edit your pictures with Windows. As I have an Apple computer, I tried to find something that Windows already had on as an application, but I wasn't happy with any of them. So I'm going to answer the question, how can I edit images for my site on our Windows computer? I will show you. Now, first, we get an image. Any image will do. Okay. And save image. And just the name of it is very important. You don't want to number it 1, 2, 3 or something. Yeah, so if you want, also, sorry, so again. So you first going to get an image you want to use that's not copyright protected. I have a list of sites that you can get free stock images to use. You will find the links in the description box. You need to save an image you want to use, the descriptive name that will better your SEO and Google search engine will like. So I'm going to call it, doesn't matter, so just save that, and it's done. All right, now, first things first, you need to have an up-to-date Chrome. And once you have an updated Chrome, you want to go and open the Chrome Web Store and upload and download, or add to Chrome the extension Image Resizer. Once you've done that, which is fairly simple, it will take you 5 minutes once Chrome's updated. We're going to edit with Image Resizer. And all you have to do when you have it loaded in is click this little symbol here, hover over it, it says Image Resizer, click it. Now you can upload an image, and it's done. Now this is, so you can zoom in, zoom out to focus it, but otherwise down here is what's important. If you want to keep it more rectangle, or you want more rectangle vertical, or more square, but those are things. Otherwise I would just push it at free, so you can adjust this as much as you want. And you can see the right hand side what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to set, if you want to set it at a certain width and height, go set crop box data, click that. Oh, sorry, I'm going to get data first, then set crop box data, and I'm going to change the width. Oops. There we go. Right. Oops. So you can see all the different things you can do with it. You can, once you've got the one you want, get cropped canvas, download cropped image. And if that's not what you like, push across, it's cleared. Right, so you do that, whatever you want. I like that. And then get crop down, crop canvas, and download. And this is what it looks like. It has completely changed the name. So you need to go file, you need to open it in wherever it saved it. It might be downloads folder or whatever you have it set as. So mine's downloads folder. I need to rename it to something. Road less traveled. Now I wanted a rectangle. You could have just kept it as a square. This is one by one, and done the same thing and go get crop canvas. Easy. So I hope that helped. Now we're going to add the image wherever we want. So I can add it in the header folder or whatnot, but we're going to upload it first into the media library. In the back end of my website, go to media, then library, select files, and I'm going to downloads. Right, add it. There we go. Copy the name. In the alternative text, in the description, in the title, so it can be better found on Google search and for SEO purposes. Once that's done, it will automatically save. You can see the little thing. It says saved. Close. Now I go add image. Upload. Oh, new library. Where is it? Oops. I refresh this. Oh, cannot see what I just uploaded. So it's there. Alright, try again. The image. There you go. Select it. Go insert. Save. Now preview changes. That wasn't too hard, right? So if you have any questions you want answered, just message us at m.me/easyonlinebizsolutions. If you have a question you want answered in next month's Facebook Live, please contact us. Talk soon. Now, if you have any questions you want answered, just message us at m.me/easyonlinebizsolutions.